Is now from the capital, where there have been protests at a juvenile inmate's home in Majnu Katila in Delhi. The inmates initially set blankets on fire and threw stones at the caretakers. The juvenile inmates alleged that they were ill-treated by the guards. The caretakers claim the inmates create a ruckus at regular intervals. Tanima Biswas reports.
Early morning chaos here at a juvenile home in North Delhi. We are standing outside the reform home at Majnu Katila here in North Delhi, where you can see there are stones which have been pelted by juvenile delinquents who are housed inside this juvenile home, and they had even burned blankets, the blankets which had been given to them by the administration inside. They had come out on the roofs of this reform home early in the morning and burned the blankets. In fact, what we are being told by our sources is that some of them had even pelted stones on the media person standing outside. You can see right now the North Zone magistrates had in fact come to speak to the administrative body, to the administration inside the juvenile home, to figure out what exactly provoked the boys who have been housed inside. In fact, we know that 21 boys are housed inside this juvenile home, and around 10 of them had climbed up to the roofs and started pelting stones, burning blankets. According to them, they have been ill-treated by the administration inside by some guard. That's what we are hearing from our sources. But it's not exactly clear what they mean by ill-treatment. But what the administration is telling us is that these boys had been creating nuisance for quite some time, and this had come to a peak today. Police have been stationed outside this reform home, but since their jurisdiction does not allow them to enter inside, they are just standing on the road to guard this entire territory and to make sure that stone pelting does not continue any longer. In fact, right now you can see that the boys have gone back inside the premises of the reform home. That they are no longer standing on the walls of it. But it had been complete chaos from 4 o'clock in the morning when they started burning blankets, and the fire department first got a call, and then the police came to the spot. With camera person Ramesh Tripathi in New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.